Hi, I'd like to document this. I have a 2016 Toyota Tacoma. It has a 3-inch lift. It also is running 34-inch tires. And I put the Gadgetman groove on. With the lift and the tires, I was getting about 12 to 13 miles to the gallon. And now I average somewhere between low 17s as high as 19 and 20. So I just took a little stroll around town. I didn't get on a freeway or anything, and we'll see how good a mileage I got. So I drove 9.2 miles and I got 18 miles to the gallon. On the freeway, if I'm going between 75 and 80, I can get above 20. If I go higher than 80 for long periods of time, I dropped into the 16, 17s.